Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to Indus Valley Public School RAT e-learning classes. Class 9th, where we were studying Chapter 8 from your Beehive book. The name of the lesson is Reach for the Top, Part 1, Santosh Yadav. So children, in my last video, we had completed the explanation of the chapter. Okay, it was a biography of Santosh Yadav, and now in this video I'll give you the summary as well as the question answers of this part 1. So coming ahead, Santosh Yadav was born to wealthy landowners in Jonia, was a village of Rohtak district in Haryana. She was the youngest child, a sister to 5 elder brothers. Due to the traditions, she was forced to study in the village school. Since childhood, she was opposed to the customs, preferred wearing shorts in opposition to the traditional dresses like salwar kameez. At the age of 16, like other girls in the village, she was forced to get married, but she resisted and insisted upon getting education before getting married. She took admission in a school in Delhi, but her parents refused to support her. She accepted it and decided to work part-time to refund her schooling fee. Finally, her parents agreed to support her. Her father accepted her desire to get higher education. After high school, Santosh joined the Maharani College at Jaipur and lived at the Kasturba hostel. There she saw the villagers climb the Aravalli hills and was curious to know what was at the other side of the hills. She joined a group of mountaineers there and hence undertook her first climbing expedition. Within 4 years, in 1992, she climbed Mount Everest. Her qualities of determination, physical and mental strength impressed her seniors. Her fellow climbers appreciated her concern for others and willingness to work in a team. She saved the life of a fellow climber named Mohan Singh by sharing her oxygen cylinder with him. She joined an Indo-Nepalese women expedition and climbed Everest twice, thus becoming the first woman in the world to climb the peak twice. Santosh cannot describe the immense feeling of happiness and pride when she was on top of the world. As she hoisted the Indian flag, she felt proud to be an Indian. Being an environmentalist, she brought down 500 kg of garbage from the Himalayas. So children, here we complete with the summary, coming towards the question answers. First question. Why was the holy man who gave Santosh mother his blessing surprised? The holy man who blessed Santosh mother was surprised because Santosh grandmother said that they did not want a son, as she already had 5 sons. They only wanted to be blessed with a gifted child. The holy man was surprised because every mother wanted to give birth to a son, contrary to Santosh's mother. Next question. Give an example to show that even as a young girl, Santosh was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. Santosh was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. She began living life on her own terms from the start. Where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, Santosh preferred shorts. Next question. Why was Santosh sent to the local school? Although her parents were wealthy and could send her to a good school in the city of Delhi, they sent her to village because they followed the traditions. Next question. When did she leave home for Delhi and why? At the age of 16, Santosh left for Delhi and got admission in a school there. She wanted to get good education before getting married. Although her parents did not support her initially, they heeded to her determination and accepted her decision. Next question. Why did Santosh's parents agree to pay for her schooling in Delhi? What mental qualities of Santosh are brought into light by this incident? Initially, Santosh's parents refused to support her financially. She accepted this and decided to work part-time to pay her school fee. Then her parents softened and consented to support her. This shows she was determined and did what she thought was right, and that others had to change their path accordingly. Next question. How did Santosh begin to climb mountains? When Santosh joined the Maharani College at Jaipur, she resided at the Kasturba Hostel. It was located near the Aravalli Hills. Every day, she saw the villagers climb the hills and disappear behind them. She grew inquisitive and finally, one day, joined a group of mountaineers to unfold the mystery. This way, she started climbing mountains. Next question. What incidents during the Everest expedition show Santosh's concern for her teammates? Santosh tried to save a fellow climber but was unsuccessful at it. Later, she was successful in saving the life of a fellow climber named Mohan Singh by sharing her oxygen cylinder with him. What shows her concern for the environment? She brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. This shows her concern for the environment. How does she describe her feeling at the summit of the Everest? Santosh was full of happiness and pride when she was literally on top of the world. As she unfurled the Indian flag, she felt proud of being an Indian. It was a spiritual moment to her. Santosh Yadav got into the record books both times she scaled Mount Everest. What were the reason for this? The first time when Santosh climbed the Everest, she became the youngest woman to scale the Everest. When she climbed it the second time, she became the first woman in the world to climb the Everest twice. Okay? तो 2 बार उसको अवार्ड मिला. दोनों का रीज़न ये था, पहले में वो यंगेस्ट वुमेन थी, सेकेंड में वो ट्वाइस. शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमेन हु क्लाइंब द एवरेस्ट ट्वाइस, इसलिए उसे दोनों बार अवार्ड मिला. Now coming to the character sketch of Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav has been portrayed as a firm, willed, decisive, courageous, adventurous girl endowed with a rational mind and physical and mental toughness. Born in a small village of Haryana, Santosh Yadav had an independent temperament right from the beginning and wished to live life on her terms. She knew full well that her conservative family would pressurize her to adhere to the traditional way of life. But at the same time, she was aware that if she chose a correct and a rational path, she would be able to change others and win their support. She had the courage to oppose what she considered to be wrong. When her parents insisted that she should get married on turning 16, she put her foot down and made it clear that first priority was getting education. Determined as she was, she got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. When the parents threatened that they would not pay her school fee, she told them that she would work part-time to pay her school education. Her parents had to finally relent before her determination. Later on, her iron will, physical endurance and mental toughness helped her to first join Maharani College, Jaipur, and then Nehru Institute of Mountaineering at Uttarkashi. Her hard work and determination, mental strength, and physical fitness equipped her for undertaking the dangerous journey to reach Mount Everest, the top of the world, successfully at once. But Troy, Santosh Yadav's humanitarian attitude and team spirit came to the fore during her expedition when she helped her fellow climbers. Her concern for the environment was evident when she brought down as much as 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. All these qualities and amazing achievements helped Santosh earn one of the nation's top awards, Padma Shri. She is a motivation for young men and women in the world. Now coming towards the character sketch of her parents. Santosh Yadav's parents were affluent but orthodox, conservative landlords. They liked to live according to the prevailing custom in their family. However, when they tried to make Santosh toe the line set by traditions and the girl offered resistance, they yielded because they loved her from the core of their heart and knew that she had chosen a correct and a rational path. Thus, Santosh kept on getting support from her parents, which in the long run helped her reach the zenith of glory. So my dear children, here we end with the first part question answers. So write down all the question answers, summary and the character sketch of both Santosh Yadav and her parents. Okay, so complete your work, send me a notebook for correction. Thank you so much for listening.